Honestly, it's an amazing sweater. Really like the quality. The quality is very soft. I got myself medium, 100% cotton. Good sweater. Highly recommend. I like the tiger. Good fit. Hey guys, I want you to see it on me. I really like the sweater. The sweater is a really nice color. I really like the tiger. It's actually really good fit. It's a medium size. Comes a little bit lower. That's how does it look on the back. Very nice, very good feeling. I really like it. I'm probably gonna get another one. That's a medium size.